Criminal Passage 13 Start. When this case was called, we asked Mr. Shahawar to proceed with the case, call the witnesses for the prosecution because the hearing today had been fixed for this purpose. Dr. A. Bassett, Leonard Senior Advocate Supreme Court, however, intervened and insisted that criminal MA 329 of 2013 be heard. When he was to proceed with the case, he refused and instead recorded the following statement. Having been refused to argue on the basis of Criminal Miscellaneous 329/2013, which was filed consequent to decision of the judge in chambers, whereby certain affidavits which have been attempted to be placed earlier were returned in original by the office, and the judge in chambers had allowed the petition to be documented, whereafter the relevancy of those affidavits were to be first decided by this court. Since my entire case is based on the premise that the email allegedly fabricated by me was in fact originated from a computer under the control of the registrar from a previous address, I will not be in a position to effectively discharge my professional obligations unless criminal MA number 329/2013 is first permitted to be presented and adjudicated. Learned counsel for the respondents also subsequently filed a statement in his own handwriting which has been placed on record. This case has been pending before us since 26/7/2012. The order sheet shows that the respondents were repeatedly given adjournments at their request. Such adjournments requests appear to have been made with the object of delaying the adjudication of this petition. This is evident from the contents of the order sheet. From the above excerpts and references to the order sheet in this case, it is abundantly clear that the respondents have been making all out efforts to delay the adjudication of this case. Such delays are not conducive to the administration of justice. Today, in furtherance of the same dilatory tactics, learned counsel referred to Criminal Miscellaneous number 329/2013, which had been filed on behalf of the respondents on 1/6/2013. This criminal MA purports to be an application under Order Rule 5 and 6 Supreme Court Rule 1980 read with all other enabling provision to make appropriate orders to prepare the groundwork for cross-examination of the prosecution witnesses in order to prevent miscarriage of justice. It may be noted that the criminal MA was filed on 1/6/2013, although it could have been filed much earlier if indeed an order was to be sought. As prayed, no valid reason has been given for this delay. Reference made by learned counsel to Criminal Miscellaneous Appeals number 5 and 6 of 2013 is inept in this matter. Criminal Original P. 70 of the 2012, as is evident from the order dated 5/4/2013. The said order is reproduced for ease of reference as under. Dr. A. Bassett, Senior Advocate Supreme Court for the appellant in both appeals, through these appeals filed under Sections 5 Rule 3 of the Supreme Court Rules 1980. The appellant has questioned the orders of the institution officer of this court dated 28/6/2013 and 4/2/2013, whereby the applications filed by the appellant in criminal OP number 70 of 2012 were returned being non-maintainable. Full stop and close.